Hey there, Central Florida. I'm 𝐁𝐬𝐬𝐭, your go-to realtor and investor. And I've got a move-in ready gem right here in Lakeland that you don't want to miss. Welcome to 626 Woodland Avenue. A beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with over 1,300 square feet of comfortable, modern living. This home offers a bright and open layout, updated finishes, and a kitchen that's ready for your next dinner party or cozy night in. You'll love the spacious bedrooms, updated bathrooms, and just how turnkey this place is. All for only $299,999. Outside, enjoy your private yard and peaceful neighborhood. The best part, there's no HOA, and you have easy access to downtown Lakeland, parks, and schools. This is the one you've been waiting for. Ready to see it in person? Let's schedule your private tour today. All my contact info is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to show you your new home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more property tours.